So guys, we are going to discuss a CSS problem removing digits. So what we are given in this question, we are given an integer n and we have to subtract any digit which is available in that integer n and make it 0 and find the minimum number of steps. So what does, for example, we have like 27, right? So we are first of all subtracting 7, then we are subtracting 2, then 8, then 1 and then 9, right? So let's try to see how we will solve it using recursion. First of all, we are taking the input and then we are initializing our DP with a answer which can never be our answer, right? For example, the minimum number of steps can never be in negative, right? It would be a positive integer. And then we are simply calling the recursive function and then printing it. Also, one more thing which I would like to, tell you that since the question is asking that find the minimum number of steps, so it is always possible, right? Because otherwise it would have told us to like print -1 if it is not possible, right? So let's see if it is possible, it is always possible or not. So let's say we have 35 over here. I can subtract 5 from here, which is any digit which is at the unit place, and then I will subtract any non-zero number which is still available in the integer. Let's say 3, then 27, then I can again subtract the number which is available at the units place, right? Then it would be 20 and so on. So basically I can always subtract 10 from any number, right, in two steps. For example, here also I will make it to 18, then I will again make it to 10 by subtracting 8. First I choose 8 and then any non-zero number if it is 0 at the units place, right? And since the n can be in the range of 1 is 6, so our and I can subtract 10 in every two steps. So our answer would be in the range of 2 into 1e5, but I have taken a very large positive value. Although if you would take 1e7, 1e8, then that would also be good, right? So yeah, just wanted to discuss it with you all. Also, if n is 0, that means we don't need to take any further steps and we will simply return 0. And if let's say our dp of n is not equal to -1, that means our answer is already pre-calculated and we will simply return it. Now we will find the choices which we have. Let's say the number which we are currently is 1 2 3 4, then the choices array would have 1 comma 2 with all the possibilities which we have. Then we will iterate over the choices, and then simply if we are taking that, if we're subtracting that, we will take a once, we will account that one step, and then we will find the answer for the remaining integer, right? Also, one more thing, that why I have put this check if not equal to 0. It is because let's say I'm at 27, then I'm at 200, and then I'm subtracting 0 from here, then it would be again 200. So it is not very optimal to take this step, right? Because it is very non-optimal step, and it also lead to an infinite loop in the recursion, right? So that's for that reason I have added that check over here. Talking about the time complexity would be in the order of n into the length of the integer. It would be n into 6 in n into 7. Also I am making it run two times, so n into 7 into 2, but in average you can make it like n into 3.5 or 3 or 4, right? Because every time the number would not be that long. Also, if I talk about the space complexity, it would be O of n over here, and O of n for the stack space over here, right? Recursive stack space over here. So yeah, let's try to submit this problem. So yes guys, our solution is accepted.